How to replace a Human Touch WholeBody 7.1 or 8.0 Backrest Actuator. You will need a 3/8" or 10mm Allen wrench, Phillips head screwdriver, pliers, small flathead screwdriver, wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, use the remote control legs up button to raise the foot and calf massager as far as it will go. Now, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, tip the chair gently onto its left-hand side. Follow the actuator cables toward the connector junction box, cutting the 2 zip ties that secure the cables to the chair frame along the way. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the connector junction box cover. Use your fingers to pop off the connector junction box cover, then disconnect the red and blue connectors. Using a small flathead screwdriver, pry the C-clip off the top of the front actuator mounting point, then pull downward on the pin to remove it. Then, use a 3/8" or 10mm Allen wrench to remove the 2 bolts and washers that secure the rear of the actuator to the chair. Also remove the 2 red washers. Finally, remove the actuator from the chair. To install the new actuator, slide it into position from the front, placing a red washer between the actuator shaft and the mounting bracket on each side. Replace the bolt and washer on each side of the actuator shaft to secure it. Now, align the front mounting points, then reinstall the pin from the bottom. Use a pliers to reinstall the clip, securing the pin. Now, with the actuator cables behind the actuator shaft, reconnect the 2 actuator connectors. Position the connectors inside the connector junction box with each cable strain relief installed in one of the front slots. Now, orient the connector cover with the 3 slots facing forward, then install the cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 4 screws to secure the connector junction box cover. It's best to partially tighten each screw, then go back and finish tightening them. Next, install a new zip tie to secure the actuator cables to the chair frame. The white tape on the cables indicates the proper location. Install another new zip tie to secure the actuator cables and the other cables to the chair frame. Again, the white tape on the cables indicates the proper location. Cut the excess zip ties. Now, gently return the chair to the upright position. Finally, plug in the chair. Power it on. Then use the remote control to lower the footrest.